Hello friend, welcome in my channel Signal Engineers. And today our topic is signaling interlocking plan. Means what is signaling interlocking plan? Their short name is SIP. And also I discuss about checklist of SIP. Means in this video today I am discussing signal interlocking plan SIP checklist for approval in SNT work. When we are working in any railway signaling project, first our documents is ESP and second documents called SIP, means signaling interlocking plan. Signaling interlocking plan include all types of yard layout, and in this diagram everything is included, like a signal, track, point, LC gates, circuit, and numbers of track. Everything is include in SIP, and SIP is the model of BDU, LCP, panel, and in panel this is the form of SIP. So today I am discussing about how to make SIP and which type of rules, and I discuss some few points, and if you apply on this rule and apply on this topic on your diagram, your SIP checklist approved. So in SIP, firstly title block, and second one is general layout, third one is gradient post, and next one is signal, and next one is point, and next one is tracks, and next one is LC gates, and also block instrument. Next one is, and next other item to be checked, means this is their headlines, and I discussed in brief in this topic. Firstly, title block. Title block is the first things. In title block, when we draw our SIP, first is the title block. In title block, be included format, front of information is block as per standard. Name shown in English and Hindi both, and name of work with descriptions, and also plan number is correct as per registered. And second one is general layout. In general layout, we have discussed a station's building symbol is shown with central line and kilometers. Yard layout is correct, numbers of line, points, siding, trap, etc. as per ESP plan. And next one is work to be dismantled is shown dotted as per ESP and referred SIP. And next one is descriptions of up, down, main, loop, siding is correct and shown in the diagram. And next one is also distance line between the D class junctions block. And next one is signal are placed where required as per yard layout, and symbol aspect is correct. And next one is all chainage are matching for pens, dead ends, LC gates, FM, and siding, trap, bridge, etc. with that of ESP. And next one is gradient post. In gradient post, chainage and grade of all gradient posts are correct. No gradient post is missing. And next one is signals. In signal, we are discussing firstly aspect, chainage, number is correct. Second one is sign movement, route are shown on lines. Aspect control chart is correct and matching with that the signal aspect. And next one is if gradient is less than 1/300 is the approach of home signal, DWB at 600 meter from distance. Next one is if gradient is less than 1 by 260 is approach of home, then home signal to be provided at 300 meter from FP. If crisscross movement is to be done. Next one is BSL is placed for trailing point station with no loop yet DL siding. Next one is advanced starter. Advanced starter 120 meter from SH7 SH44. Single line home at 300 meter from advanced starter. Double line home at 180 meter from FP. In case of LC gate is vicinity, follow the drawing rule of normal CST drawing number. Distance signal at 1 kilometer beyond home signal, and good burning board at 400 meter 600 meter beyond distance signal. In case of maybe a stop board where signal are not given. This is the signaling rule. And next one is points. In points, numbering is correct, chainage and description is shown correctly, and crank handle group are grouped and numbered properly. And next one is tracks. In tracks, numbering is correct, maximum length of DC track 350 meter for practical purpose. 1 point means 1 track circuit. Calling on track circuit 5 RL, advanced starter track 3 RL. Berthing generally has odd number of track circuit. Point and LC track should be small as soon as possible, and minimum track circuit length is 26 meter. And next one is LC gate. In LC gate, firstly name, class, manned, unmanned, interlocked, non-interlocked, center line to be shown with the gate. If manned, clear, siding boom, lifting barrier, mechanical, electrical, and what is the traffic directions, everything is shown in SIP. And if road width is greater than 8 meter, 2 lifting barrier are provided in LC gate. And next one is if new barrier is provided, earlier cut and new one is made in red. And gate telephone is also provided in gate. The road signal and descriptions also shown. And next one is block instrument. In block instrument, we also clear which type of block instrument used and their symbol and descriptions. And Excel counter resetting and corporations arrangement also shown in SIP. And HADSC symbol for block sections. For MSDSC DP in the yard shown in the SIP. Track naming also shown in SIP. And next topic is other items to be checked. Means when we draw, we construct, we make SIP, that time other item to be checked in this section. First, controlled panel, a spare for signal, crank handle, point, slots are shown. Bridge name and description is also correct. Crank handle box is shown. Previous plan history is also there, and descriptions table of all work to be also shown. So friends, this is the end of this, and in this video I describe how to make SIP and which type of I have discussed many points related to signal, points and gates and equipments, and this is the also checklist of SIP, means signaling interlocking plan. And signaling interlocking plan is based on ESP, means engineering skill plan. So friends, please subscribe my channel Signal Engineers, and also watch, share and comments. And in this channel many video related to signaling and telecommunications and railway and metro projects. So please watch my channel and also subscribe. And thanks for watching. Thank you everyone from my side. I am Nagmuni Kumar, founder of Signal Engineers. So friends, thank you everyone.